Where is he? Is he in the hill or is he across the bay?
He's on the hill.
On the hill somewhere.
Yeah.
There's one
Can
on
you
my
see
body.
Stoner body?
There's one coming to my body, Twist.
Is there?
Yeah, there's one coming upstairs.
I hear a car. Or a quad.
Quad?
Yeah, shooting behind us. Shooting behind us, dude. Nice!
Get him!
Got him? I'm all the way in the snow with all the action going in the south. Shut my luck.
Let's try cam having.
Got
Are you
him.
watching the roof? Twist?
Woo!
Have you got a backpack?
Yeah, small one. Where? Okay, open the second lock. Working on the third.
Days, there's MRE, there's food in this one
Damn
for
it.
days, mate. Have you seen it?
What?
Have you seen the one full of food? All the MREs. Oh, the honeycomb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 honeycombs.
Where's lockpicks?
In one of these boxes, dude. I don't know. I can't...
Holy shit, so many. Wait, you moved the one I was looking at. So many screwdrivers, man. There you go.
Get out of your way. Yeah, the wooden one's got. Actually, where's that one?
I don't know where it is. But you can see it in your vicinity.
Yeah. More screwdrivers, a load of red screwdrivers.
Third lock down. Working on the fourth. Fourth down. Last lock. Got it. I'm in.